Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In this video, we will guide you through the replacement process of a rear shock for a Mercedes-Benz GLS-Class X166 or a GLE-Class AMG W166 with ADS Plus with an Arnott part. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Now raise the vehicle and remove the applicable rear wheel. Deflate the rear air suspension following the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. In the rear cargo area, remove all applicable trim panels to gain access to the upper shock mounting fasteners. Reference the manufacturer's instructions for removal of interior paneling. With the trim panels removed, lift the insulation to gain access to the top mount nuts. Now loosen and remove the nuts. Next, disconnect the ADS Plus connector from the solenoid. Then loosen and remove the lower shock mounting bolt, followed by the old shock. Install the replacement shock, solenoid side out, and reinstall the lower mounting bolt. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Now reconnect the ADS Plus connector to the solenoid. In the rear cargo area, lift the insulation to gain access to the top mount nuts. Install and tighten them. Reference the manufacturer's specifications and installation instructions for the interior panels and torque specifications. Next, inflate the rear air suspension and reinstall the wheel. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear shock of a Mercedes-Benz with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.